My name is Claire Watts, and I work out of the Cohasset office. I have 3 areas of specialty. One is relocation, the other is historic homes, and the third is with our Previews International division. I also have the GRI designation, which is Graduate of the Realty Institute. I've been a realtor for 25 years. 6 of those years were in Connecticut. We moved up here in 1985 when my husband took a new job in banking in Boston, and we settled on the beautiful South Shore, and the whole South Shore has become my area that I like to provide service to buyers and sellers. I have been involved working with transferees because of my own personal experience, which I had a very nice transition from Connecticut to the Boston and South Shore area, and I liked sharing that experience with other people moving into the area. A strength of mine is negotiating. I always work to get the best value for either the buyer or the seller, whoever I'm representing. However, my statistics for working with sellers have outpaced the marketplace when it comes to the ratio of sale price to list price. I've become computer skilled over these last many years, and I've been able to help customers and clients because I am able to use the computer and email and send out newsletters and work with digital photography and all the technical aspects. And working with young people in particular, they like having a seasoned broker that knows her way around a computer. I have 2 grown children and 6 grandchildren. I'm involved with our local yacht club. We like sailing, and I enjoy the work and the involvement with our local art center. I am a student of botanical watercolor painting, and I've had my work accepted in juried shows. I've been a top producer since becoming a realtor in 1979. Through Coldwell Banker, I've earned the Sterling, Bronze, Gold, and Diamond awards, as well as the Previews International Historic Homes Specialist designation, which is through the Preservation Organization out of Washington, D.C. I enjoy working with both buyers and sellers and provide an excellent level of service, as I've been totally dedicated to my position since becoming a realtor 25 years ago.
Claire Watts has been a top producer in our market for the past 20 years. She has an excellent reputation as a real professional. She's a skilled negotiator, and her clients appreciate having her on their side.
Thank you for taking the time to visit with me. I can be reached here at my office. The number is 781-383-9202, and my voicemail 781-210-0142, or visit me at claire.watts@anymoves.com, and I look forward to hearing from you.